Hi, welcome to the Ask Patrick series. Today's question is by Anirudh Nawale. The question is, how do you manage stress in a 2-hour paper? Now, why stress is important in a 2-hour paper is because in a 2-hour paper, each section is 40 minutes. So, if you read a RC passage and you're not able to solve a question, 10 minutes are gone. If you read a DI set and not able to solve, 10 minutes are gone. And that creates very high stress in the examination, not only in the mocks but in the actual CAT. So how do you manage stress in that case? The most important part out here is to identify why are you stressed. I mean the causes of stress. Try to figure it out. One of the major cause of stress is the worry about time. Okay, time is running out and I don't have enough time. Don't be constantly aware about time. Don't constantly look at the watch. It creates more stress. The more you look at the watch, the more it will create stress and the work. I'm not saying don't look at the watch. It has to be a part of the strategy that you follow, the watch, the time. Okay. But don't constantly look. Maybe after 10 minutes or 12 minutes, you can maybe once glance at the watch, see whether you're following the strategy properly or not, and so on. One aspect. Second, what I normally recommend is don't keep number of questions as a target. What happens is when you keep a number of questions as target and you're not able to reach that, maybe because you wasted 5 minutes out here or there, it automatically increases stress and that causes problem in solving more questions. So if you don't keep a target, you say that I will solve as much as possible, whatever possible, that could help. Extension to that, whenever you find a paper tough and you're not able to solve enough questions, always think that the paper is tough for you, that paper is tough for everyone. The paper is not different for anyone. Same if the paper is easy for you, it's easy for everyone. So that means if you're finding the paper tough, you're not able to solve a set, just relax. Think which are the easy set and try to solve the easy sets and move forward. If the paper is easy and if you're able to solve questions, then push yourself to try to solve more questions. So you need to adapt. Don't keep targets that itself creates stress. I mean, it differs from person to person, very frankly. Some people thrive on targets. They keep target, they can solve more questions. Most of the students normally are stressed because of targets. And see what kind of person you are, and then you can decide what you need to do. Right? But yes, what is important is to have a strategy in place. The moment you have a strategy in place, then the targets and everything else is not important. For example, if I have a strategy of 2 round strategy in a quant, first round I have to finish in maybe 20 or 30 minutes, let's say. So my focus should be completing first round in 30 minutes. Leave questions that you find tough and solve as many easy questions as possible in the 30 minutes possible. And then change my strategy based on how it goes. So if I see that I'm behind schedule, that means I'm not able to complete first round in 30 minutes, then leave more questions, solve lesser questions and try to complete the first round in 30 minutes. Adapt to it. So having a proper strategy in place and to adapt to the strategy would be a great way to relieve stress. But yes, do experiment. Managing stress is very, very important. Try to look at ways in which you can manage stress and see what works for you. And that will help you to reduce stress. I'll anyway have more videos over a period of time where I'll talk about how to manage stress, etc. But this is just a glimpse of what you need to do. Hope that helps. Thank you.